Unitley's Physics US 9 III Focused Particle Communication, Evolution of Fundamental Physics Leading to Biology and the Universe. By James W. Christie. This study introduces one-dimensional force which requires internal particle processing as a simpler addition to classical mechanics and the enabling predecessor of quantum mechanics. The evolution of physics is a process in which our only basis of understanding will come from biological science and much measurement of appropriate parameters in tornadoes and many other areas. Understanding of biological evolution. Particle communication arising from rest energy enables the conversion of random motion to organized motion. The evolution of physics requires increasing complexity with time. Earlier physics must be simpler, which excludes the many failed attempts to extend the standard model via more complex mathematics and dimensions. The inability of the standard model of physics to explain non-locality in QM, the similar morphology of spiral galaxies and hurricanes, the causes of helicity conservation in water, tornadoes and jet streams in the atmosphere and galaxies, and the inability to produce angular momentum conservation from random motion are among its major shortcomings. Selective particle-to-particle communication and subsequent particle action to a state of greater organization are necessary for the solutions. This paper, based on US 9-1 and US 9-2, explores the possibility of new particle-to-particle forces via rest energy which enable higher organization. An ability in physics to deal with the above would provide physics that could be useful to biological science, which presently describes numerous varieties of particle-to-particle communications in very complex organizations. Control of tornadoes via interference of particle-to-particle communication can be possible with future technology. The effects of focused particle-to-particle communication can replace the concepts of dark matter and nuclear force bosons. Focused selective particle-to-particle communication enables evolution in physics and the universe, which leads to quantum mechanics and biological evolution. The possibilities regarding the universe and cosmology are extensive. The introduction of focused particle-to-particle communication from rest energy in addition to gravity and ENM enables creative interactions that can solve many of the mysteries inherent in current understanding. Dark matter, dark energy, lattice structure of the universe and intergalactic voids. Delta beta FEF can explain superconductivity, lightning, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.